Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will allow the player to select items from the inventory. So for that, if we open up this background, okay, as you can see we have all of the weapons and everything right in here. So if you open up the weapons list, we have heading 1. Let me actually change into scene view so that we can see them one by one. We have the weapon 1 right here, then we have the image for the weapon 1. So now what we will be doing is to make these weapon 1 2 3 4 a button. Since these are just the images, so we need to make them buttons. Okay, so if we select these 4 weapons, okay, then right here click on add component, then add the button component. As you can see, here it is, this is the button component. And when you add the button component to each of them, as you can see, they will become buttons now. And then also with the button component, add the button handler script as well, and also add the event trigger as well to all of them. Then let's select the first one, and in the first one we will name this first button as 1. And let me tell you the reason why we will be naming this 1 2 3 4 is because if I show you the inventory script, on the inventory script, as you can see, we by using the keyboard 1 2 3 4 5 6 button, we are changing the inventory things, or you can say selecting the things from the inventory. Okay, so we don't want to use any other name, we will be using the same name as we did right here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we will be naming this weapon 1 button as 1. Okay, and this weapon 2 as 2, weapon 3 as 3, and weapon 4 as 4. Okay, then if we select the weapon 1 right here, click on add event, let's add pointer down, then add event again, pointer up. Okay, and we will do the same for the other as well. Okay, so let's select the second one. First of all, add pointer down, then pointer up, then select the third one, click on add pointer down, then pointer up. Okay, like that. Then select the fourth weapon, click on add, then pointer down, and then pointer up. Then select the weapon 1. Now click on plus, drag and drop the button handler script in there, and then click on button handler and select set down state. Then select plus right here as well, drag and drop the button handler, and then select set up state. Okay, then do the same for the weapon 2, drag and drop the button handler and select set down state, then click on plus, drag and drop the script and select set up state. Then let's do it for weapon 3. Whoops. Okay, so drag and drop the script, select set down state, then right here drag and drop the script, select set up state. Okay, then let's do it for the weapon 4 right here, drag and drop the script, button handler set down state, then click on plus, drag and drop the script, button handler set up state. Okay, so now these buttons is now 1 2 3 4. Okay, we name the button as 1 2 3 4. Now let's do it for this slot as well. So we will just simply select both of the slot, okay, and click on add component. Let's add first of all the button. After the button, add the button handler script, and then add the event trigger. Okay, then let's select the slot 1, name this as 5. Okay, we name the weapon 4 as 4, then make the slot 1 as 5, and the slot 2 name this as 6. Okay, then select the slot 1, click on add event, let's add pointer down, then click on add event again, add pointer up. Let's do the same for this one, pointer down, add event again, pointer up. Okay, then select slot 1, click on plus, drag and drop the script, then select set down state, then right here click on plus, drag and drop that button handler, select set up state, Let's do it for the slot 2 now. Click plus and right here plus as well. Drag and drop the script in both of them. For the first one, select down state, and then from this one select set up state, and then we have the buttons ready. Okay, now let me actually deactivate that. Okay, open up the inventory script, and now at the top, first of all, let's add this. So we will copy it from here and paste it right there. Then we will select this cross platform, get button down. Okay, then get back to inventory right here. Okay, and right here when we press the 0 button, for now just ignore this, because right here we will be using the attack button. For now we don't have the attack button, so we will leave this as it is. Right here we have the button 1, so just select this input.get key down and click Ctrl V, or you simply paste that. Then right here as well, paste it, select input.get key down, paste it, then right here paste that as well, then right here as well, then right here one. Okay, and then paste it one by one in all of them right here as well. Then if we scroll down, we have the 5th and 6th. Okay, and that is the reason I have named this button as same to the keyboard keys. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, in order to remove any confusion. Okay, so let me scroll down. If we use this button anywhere else, okay, we don't use that anywhere else. Okay, and we have changed it right here. So now we can simply save the game and get back right here. Okay, then click on player, and we have deactivated the script, so make sure that you activate it back again. Okay, and just for now, when we activate the fist fighting, okay, let's just comment this code, okay, for now, so that whenever we press any button, so that the player doesn't punch. Okay, just simply comment that code out, then get back and make sure the inventory script is enabled. Let's play the game. Click on that. Okay, as you can see, if we press, this is now, as you can see, acting as buttons, but it is not showing anything. Now if we go ahead and pick up them one by one. Okay, first of all pick up the sword, then the rifle, then the bazooka, then the grenade, then the health, and then the energy free. Now select one by one. So if we click on this inventory, click on that, close the inventory, as you can see the player picked out the sword. Okay, now if we click on inventory again, okay, actually now it is also attacking as well, because we don't have the attack button, so whenever we click it, just read that as the attack. Okay, so now if we click on this again, get back right here, as you can see the sword is now gone. Okay, now if we click on this rifle, as you can see it shoots and it also reload the rifle. You can notice the rifle, everything right there. Okay, if we click on this again, click on rifle back again, and as you can see the rifle is gone. Okay, and once we fix the attack button, then all these issues will be fixed. Okay, the shooting issues. Okay, but for now, as you can see, it can pick out the things from the inventory. Okay, as you can see our player stuck. This is due to we don't have the inventory, I mean the attack button. Okay, so now this issue will be fixed when we add the attack or shooting button in the next video. So let's end this video right here.